honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is a sponsored video by the MEALCON company. And they sent me a set of 16 pieces meal prep glass containers. So, let me show y'all. These are the containers. There's 8 glass pieces and the lids. That makes 16 pieces. So, let me show y'all. And I'm sure everybody is familiar with Tupperware and plastic storage containers. Well, these are glass. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Very nice. Okay, it says that the glass part is oven safe. That's your regular oven. Up to 450 degrees. Microwave safe. You can actually put the whole thing in the microwave, and it has a vented lid. So you can just vent it, but I wouldn't even put the plastic part in the microwave. I wouldn't take any chance in messing it up. But it says you can. Okay, dishwasher safe and freezer safe. Now I'm not sure about the air fryer or your pressure cooker. I don't know. But anyway, these are great for portion control. Look at that. And what else? They're leak proof. I put water in one. Let me make sure again. Okay. Put water. See the water? They're leak proof. Look at that. Not a drop. Okay. Very nice. And something else I found very nice. Okay, they got these kind of lids, and they snap closed on 4 sides. Okay, this is how the glass part looks. You can bake in this. You can bake in it. Very nice. Since it's oven safe up to 450, it has, all of them have gaskets. You know, like your pressure cooker seal. How you pull this thing out here? Okay, it has a little thumb grip thing right here. You can take the gasket off just in case you need to wash all up under here. Just in case. And it's easy to put back on. So I like that. Because I'm sure moisture gets all up under there, and I don't want nothing to mold. And it goes on. Goes back on nice and easy. Like I said, there's a little thumbnail grip where you can just pull it off easy. So it come in all sizes. Got the little bitty one. It's the smallest one. Then this size, they have different colored gaskets. 2 of the blue ones, 2 of the green ones. I'm not sure how many ounces each one is. 2 of these red oblong ones. Very nice. And 2 of the yellow. Very nice. And it's nice I think it's nice for grown folks to take to the office. If, you know, if they eat lunch in their office, take you some good meatloaf, mashed potatoes, string beans or something for lunch. And then you can just put your meal right in the microwave at work. Warm it up. And if you need to separate your meals, just take 2. Some people don't like their food touching, but it's all going the same way anyway. But just take 2. Bring them back home and wash them. After you eat and you're still on your job, put your little warm water in it and a little dishwashing liquid in it. Close it up good. Bring it home so it won't be a lot of extra washing to do. Won't be nothing stuck. Like I said, the seals. It's leak proof. Look at that. Just make sure you seal it properly. Close it up good. Okay, what else can I say about this? I wouldn't give it to no school kids, little kids, because they'll break it. It is glass. It will break. It's very, very sturdy glass. It's very heavy duty. It reminds me of that heavy Pyrex glass. It's advertised as meal prep, but I don't do any meal prepping, so it's going to be good for leftovers in my house. And then just warm up the leftovers right in the microwave. And I'm going to attempt to put in my air fryer. Not the lid, of course, because it's plastic. Thanks for watching. You all have a blessed day. Okay. And leave a nice comment. Bye.